Did you know that koi fish can live for over 2 centuries? One remarkable koi named Hanako holds the record for the oldest koi fish ever recorded, living an astonishing 226 years. Seahorses are truly unique creatures, and one of their most fascinating traits is that male seahorses give birth instead of females, a rare phenomenon in the animal kingdom. Salmon have an extraordinary sense of smell, far superior to that of dogs, nearly 1,000 times stronger. This powerful ability helps them navigate vast oceans. Sharks are the ultimate tooth-growing machines. Unlike humans, who get only 2 sets of teeth, sharks continuously grow and replace their teeth throughout their lives, losing and regenerating up to 30. Meet the pygmy marmoset, the tiniest monkey in the world. This adorable primate measures just 4 to 6 inches tall, about the same height as a toothbrush. Despite its small size, it's an expert climber. Don't be fooled by its bright, beautiful colors. The skin of a poison dart frog contains enough toxins to kill up to 100 people. Found in the rainforests of Central and South America. Meet the bumblebee bat, the tiniest and lightest mammal on Earth. Weighing just 2 grams, this incredible creature is as light as 2 M&M. Despite its small size, it's a skilled flyer. Alligators are not just ancient reptiles, they're also long-lived survivors. In the wild, they can live up to 50 years, but in captivity, some alligators have been known to reach 80 years or more. Camels are masters of survival in extreme heat. Unlike most animals, they don't start sweating until their body temperature reaches 106 degrees Fahrenheit, 41 degrees Celsius, helping them conserve precious water in the desert. Believe it or not, some fish have the incredible ability to walk on land. Species like the mudskipper, lungfish, and walking catfish can move across the ground using their fins. Fleas are tiny but incredibly powerful jumpers. These little insects can leap up to 100 times their body length, which, in human terms, is like jumping to the top of a 34-story building. Giant anteaters are nature's ultimate bug vacuums. With their long, sticky tongues, which can flick up to 150 times. They consume over 30,000 insects daily, feasting on ants and termites. Snails may be small, but their pace is legendary. Moving at an average speed of 0.03 miles per hour, a snail would take about 220 hours, over 9 days, to crawl a single mile non-stop. One of the strangest facts in the animal kingdom: wombats poop in cubes. Unlike most animals, these Australian marsupials produce square-shaped droppings, which help keep their poop from rolling away. Bats are nature's ultimate pest controllers. A single bat can devour up to 3,000 insects in one night, feasting on mosquitoes, moths, and other bugs that swarm the night sky. The idea that bulls get angry at the color red is a myth. Bulls are actually color blind to red and green, meaning they don't see red any differently than other colors. Did you know that cat urine glows under a black light? This is because it contains high levels of phosphorus, which reacts with UV light, making it appear fluorescent yellow-green in the dark. Honeybees aren't just expert pollinators. They can also be trained to sniff out explosives. Using their highly sensitive sense of smell, bees can detect the chemical compounds found in bombs. Blue whales hold the title for the biggest animals in Earth's history, even bigger than the largest dinosaurs. These ocean giants can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh over 200 tons. Did you know that a hamster's teeth grow continuously throughout its life? Unlike human teeth, hamster teeth never stop growing, which is why they need to constantly chew on hard objects. Most pet fish live just a few years, but one remarkable goldfish in England defied the odds, living an astonishing 43 years. Named Tish, this record-breaking fish was won at a fair in 1956. The bee hummingbird, the smallest bird on Earth, weighs just 1.6 grams. Even lighter than a US penny. Despite their small size, hummingbirds have incredible energy. The peregrine falcon holds the title for the fastest animal on Earth, reaching speeds of over 240 miles per hour when diving for prey, faster than a Formula One race car. Birds are built for flight, and one of their most fascinating adaptations is their lightweight skeletons. In many bird species, their feathers actually weigh more than their bones. Did you know wild turkeys are speedsters on the ground? These agile birds can sprint up to 25 miles per hour, using their powerful legs to escape predators in a flash. Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees to see in almost any direction. This incredible adaptation helps them spot prey and stay aware of their surroundings. Hummingbirds are the only birds capable of flying backward. Their unique wing structure allows them to hover, move sideways, and even fly upside down. These are true masters of aerial agility. Did you know that some birds use their bills to measure the temperature of their nests? This amazing adaptation helps them regulate the warmth of their eggs and chicks. Did you know that canaries have a unique talent for singing two different songs at the same time? Thanks to a specialized vocal organ called the syrinx. Ever noticed how flamingos' knees bend backward? Surprise! They're actually their ankles. Their real knees are hidden up near their bodies, tucked beneath their feathers. Did you know that flamingos can only eat when their heads are upside down? Unlike most birds, their beaks are specially designed to filter food from water while they tilt their heads. Penguins may not fly in the air, but they are champion swimmers in the ocean. Some species can travel up to 3,100 miles in a year, using their powerful flippers to glide through the water with speed. Did you know that some geese can fly as high as 32,000 feet? Right alongside a 747 jet. Species like the bar-headed goose migrate over the Himalayas, braving freezing temperatures. The Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migration of any bird, flying over 1 million miles in its lifetime. That's the same as making 3 round-trip flights to the moon.
A sailfish can leap through the air at 68 miles per hour. That's about the speed a car drives on the highway.